Have you ever seen so many Ferraris? We got 200 Ferraris at this event. Just heaven for real Ferrari lovers, car enthusiasts. It's the place to be. What is coming? Wow! What a beautiful SF90 XX. Oh, Comp Aperta in the back. Wow, the blue. Damn. Comp Aperta and La Ferrari. What a lineup. Amazing. Oh, hello. Wow. I love that you got the black tinted windows. Looks sick, bro. Look on the red carpet. That looks sick on the red carpet. Lineup, oh yes, a lot of Ferraris now. 488 Spider, Coupe, 458, 430 Spider, and Scuderia in the back in grey with the silver stripes. Oh, that one sounds pretty nice. Come on, this one is loud. Oh, now we're talking. Nice pista, bro. This one is fire spec, but this is, oh my god, freaking tedious. What a lineup. This Zange. Look at the spec. Oh, rose gold. Is that rose gold? Oh, even the wheels in rose gold. Oh my god. Technica. Next Huracan.
Hot off the press, brand new news, front page, who is this? All black on, real low key, take a guess. I stand out from the rest, no contest. I've been the man, I am him. Only fear God with the fear God I'm in. Been blessed, prayed up, amen. Now I'm getting to this money like a paper route kid.
Full Ferrari lineup. Bro, the camera's wiggly. Shaky, 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 bro. More Ferraris. What's that? Novitec ducktail. A wing on a 458 pista. Oh, that's a nice 458. That's a really nice spec. I love it. Silver with the silver rims and the silver brake calipers. Silver Ferraris are so underrated, bro. I tell you, bro. This. I shut up. The modified Ferrari group. Damn, look at it. No. That's a really nice one. Sick, bro, look at the SF90. Oh, is that hot? Bro, look. The whole family is out. Bro, everyone got modified wheels. It's so sick. That's what I want. Wow. and that's fucking rare, bro. 16 amp. You can see the spec way better now in the sunlight. Look at the pearl white with the blue accent. White seats. Oh my hell. Hold my beer, bro. The carbon, the blue rim line. This is just the perfect XX. And the LaFerrari is sick. Tinted windows, tinted exhaust tips. Cool guys bringing their cars to their shows. Look at this SF90 XX Spider, bro. Look at it. Does someone know the color name? Please write in the comments. I really want to know it, bro. It's so sick. I mean, look at it. So a green tone, bro. I don't know. I don't want to explain that. It's so sick. With the brown interiors, the Swiss flag, so much detail. It's talking pretty loud, but we got at least 200 Ferraris at this event. That's so sick. Bro, look at the SF90 XX, bro. One of my favorite modern Ferraris. The cool thing about the XX, what I love, is it's Ferrari's first chassis mounted wing since the legendary F50. Got the carbon wheels and Rosso Corsa, but this car does it for me, bro. It's so fucking beautiful. Some people hate this car, but I'm a huge fan of it. Speciale aperta, very nice. Lovely Ferrari V8. Nothing like a Speciale aperta, my dear friends. Fucking expensive and rare. Come on. Bro, how can you not love this sound? Look at the amount of Ferraris here. Have you ever seen so many Ferraris? And the location is absolutely beautiful. I love it. Look at it. In a little village called Aarberg, and we got 200 Ferraris here, and it's just heaven. It's just heaven for real Ferrari lovers, car enthusiasts. It's the place to be. Oh, Ferrari Roma in Verde Cares. That's so sick color, bro. Oh my god. And there's the exit. So later all cars, not all, but a lot of Ferraris will go on the drive out, and they will all drive through the old bridge, and maybe we get some little sound checks, some acceleration, some stuff like that, some shenanigans. Oh, all the people. That's crazy. Look at it. Full house, bro. Full house. Go to the exit and then we get some noise. Hell yeah. Come on, rip it. Good sound check. Fucking. Oh, look at the Dogo. R8. Not a Ferrari. Oh, that 458 in the back. Dyson. Wow. Very nice. 296. Every 458 is revving. Hey, hey. Let's go. No rest. This one. Oh, now we got a loud 488 pista. God damn! Bro. Bro, put the lift down. Huge. Bro. Endless Ferrari. Endless Ferrari. Automatic valve control. Ooh, that was a good one. Ooh. You got some revs. Hell yeah. Now. Bruh. That was whack. This is pretty empty, bro. Little bro is driving Ferraris. Nice. You can tell I've driven a Ferrari when I was 3 years old or whatever. La Ferrari Comp and SF90 XX already left. Sadly. But this XX is still here. But in all, I have to say it was a pretty good event, bro. That's my first time here at Aarberg, and I have to say I'm amazed. I would say next year, when the weather is good, I'll be back. I'll be back here, coming in hot, bro.